Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you some secret codes for the Vivo Y97 that let you access hidden features and diagnostic menus. The first one is email code. First, to check your email number, dial *#0, 6 and #. This one is very useful for identifying your device. The next one is calendar code. So enter *##225 #*# and * again. You will find here your saved events and synced calendars. And the last one is testing menu code. The testing menu opens with *#*46366 and *, giving you details about phone status, battery and network. You can find here only battery in this case, but that's all. And don't forget to like, subscribe. Bye.